Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to backup your iPhone. Stay with me if you want to know how can backup your iPhone. So let's start. So first of all you tap on settings, then you can just your name here, then scroll down or sometimes showing iCloud. Alright. Then scroll down, here will be showing iCloud backup. Just press backup. Then you can just enable, then showing some option. Just wait few seconds. It will take little bit time. Then you can just tap backup now. All right. Then here the processing. It will be little bit. It will be take little bit time for the backup process. So if you want to take backup, then it will wait. So that's it. Thanks for the